So, in the last class we have studied about the mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? 1 by f is equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. The derivation you have seen in the last class. And let us go for the next thing is magnification. So, what is mean by magnification? Magnification is the ratio between the height of the image formed by the spherical mirrors. Height of the image formed by the spherical mirrors to the height of the object. Magnification is the ratio between height of the image to the height of the object. Height of the image to the height of the object. So, for proof, let us see. Here I am considering a concave mirror. This is a concave mirror, and already we know the midpoint is pole and this line is nothing but the principal axis. And if we kept an object beyond the center of curvature, if we kept the object at beyond the center of curvature, this is the object O dash. This is the object O dash. And let us consider a ray which is coming from the top of the object O dash is parallel to principal axis. This is the ray 1. If a ray is parallel to the principal axis, then what happens after the reflection? It will be passes through the focus. So, this one is the reflected ray which is passing through the focus. And other ray which I am taking, which is making some angle with the principal axis at pole. If it is making some angle with the principal axis at pole, with the same angle it will be gets reflected in the either side. The first ray we have taken, which is parallel to principal axis. The ray which is parallel to principal axis after getting reflection will be passes through the focus, and another ray we are taking which is making some acute angle with the principal axis at pole. With the same angle it will be reflects in either side. So these both reflected rays are joining here. So this represents as image I dash. And what we have studied, magnification is the ratio between height of the image formed by the spherical mirror to the height of the object is called magnification. So here I wrote, if we denote O dash as HO means height of the object, and I dash as height of the image. We are denoting this O dash as HO, I dash as HI. In the last derivation we have studied that if two triangles are similar to each other, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. So here let us see triangle O dash and P. This triangle O dash and P, and triangle I dash and P. Triangle O dash P and triangle I dash P both are similar to each other. If two triangles are similar to each other, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. So what are the corresponding sides? I dash and O dash, Pi and PO. Then Pi dash and Po dash. These are the corresponding sides. So here I am taking the ratio of I dash by O dash. I dash by O dash is equals to Pi by Po. Pi by Po. So we know that I dash we have represented with Hi, but this I dash is below the principal axis or above the principal axis? Is below the principal axis. So the heights measured below the principal axis will take as negative. Already we studied in the sign convention. Heights measured below the principal axis taken as negative, above the principal axis will be taken as positive. So therefore I dash is equals to minus Hi and O dash is equals to Ho and Po. Po is nothing but the object distance. Object distance is also negative only. That's why minus U. And Pi is the image distance, that is minus V. So substituting these values in this. So here I wrote substituting in 1. What we got? Magnification M is equals to minus Hi by Ho. Instead of I dash minus Hi. Instead of O dash Ho is equals to, instead of Pi we wrote minus V. Instead of Po minus U. So here minus minus got cancelled. Minus got cancelled. Then that implies Hi by Ho is equals to minus V by U. Minus V by U. So here we are having minus, that we are transposing towards the right hand side. Therefore Hi by Ho is equals to minus V by U. So this is the formula for magnification. So this magnification represents that type of image. So you see here I wrote the note also. If M is greater than 1, if the magnification is greater than 1, then the image is enlarged. If the magnification is less than 1, then the image is diminished. Then if M is positive, if we got magnification as positive, then it is virtual and erected image. If M is if M is negative, then it is real and inverted image. So let us revise this topic once again. The next topic is magnification. What is mean by magnification? Magnification is the ratio between the height of the image to the height of the object. Height of the image to the height of the object. So here I am considering an object is placed on the principal axis, that too beyond center of curvature. This is O dash, and if an incident ray is coming from the O dash, which is parallel to principal axis, after the reflection it passes through the focus, and other ray, one more ray R2, which is making some acute angle with the principal axis at pole, with the same angle it will be reflects in either direction. So these both reflected rays are coinciding at a point. This is nothing but the image. Now here we are taking from the triangle O dash and P, triangle I dash and P. These two triangles are similar to each other. If two triangles are similar to each other, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Therefore I dash by O dash is equals to Pi by Po. But I dash is equals to minus Hi. Once again I am remembering you why we are taking minus Hi. Means the height measured the principal axis is always taken as negative. That's why minus Hi. O dash is equals to Ho and Po is equals to minus U. Pi is equals to minus V. Substituting these values in the equation 1, what we got? Magnification M is equals to minus Hi by Ho is equal to minus V by minus U. Here both minus minus got cancelled. We got Hi by Ho is equals to minus V by U. This is the formula for magnification. And if the magnification value is greater than 1, then the image is enlarged. If the magnification is less than 1, then the image is diminished. If the magnification is positive, then we will get virtual and erected image. If the magnification is negative, then it is a real and inverted image. So this is the last topic which we are having in our syllabus. And one more topic is there, that for preparing a solar cooker. Solar cooker. Just you read it out from the textbook. Okay.